Hey everyone, it's Brian, back with another 3D print. We're actually doing the Fidget Cubes MC Edition by Pink 3DP again, but we're choosing a different print profile this time. We're choosing the MC Grass Fidget Cube Light profile. All right, so I've already brought it into Bambu Studio. All right, now let's print it and send it. All right, and we'll see it in the morning. All right, the print's all done. Let's open it up and check it out. Very cool. And give it a flex. Cool. Another fidget in the books.